how to make a centrifugal pump. I already created a videos how to make a centrifugal pump. If you want to know how to make this, just check my description link. I already given a link how to make it. Okay, let's start. Now go to surface and click offset surface and click offset perimeter. Make sure the offset distance will be 0 0. Click enter, and now I will create a core for the inner side. Just I will select this space and this space and select this inner hole and select this inner side, and again move it and see and click this side, and now all inner side is selected. Now go to click OK. Yes, now go to the main body, just right click and click height. Now see, and now go to plane surface and click this edge and click this edge, and again click this edge, now see all outer side is closed. Now click OK. Now see all outer side is closed properly. Now go to neat surface and click this surface and this surface and this surface and this surface. Selected all the surface for neat. Okay, just go to this create solid, select the create solid and click OK. Now it is creating as a solid. Now see, it is created as a solid. Now right click and select OK. Now see, it is select view, it is solid or not. Just say it is solid. Now it is OK. Just cancel it. Okay. Just now go to this, click this neat surface and click this height. Okay, just now click this surface, click this box extruded and click show. Now see, this is our main body. Okay, now right click and OK. Just now go to click front plane and go to curves and click speed line. Yeah, and there select intersection and click front plane, and now select this face. Okay, now select this face and this face, and select this face and this face and this face. Just we need the speed line just for separate the part. So just make sure it is speed line is completely separated for this body. Just click this space and again click this space and click this space and click this space. Now see, it is fully or not. Again need this space. Now see, I think full face selected for the speed line. It is separated just as a two part. Wow. So now again click this space and now check this file, they are fully separated. Now see, it is fully separated. Just check it and confirm it. Now see, it is confirmed, it is separated. Now click OK. Now wait just for separated part. Yeah, now see it is separated or not, just check it. Now see it is separated. So this is the split line, just it will separate for the two part. Just see. Okay, select surface and click offset surface and keep this 0 0, click enter and select this face and this face, all the faces, and this face, this face, this face, this face. Now see, and this face, and this face. And and this space and this space, this and this, this and this, and this and this. Just check all faces selected or not. Just see this space and this space selected, all the faces of the outer side of this body. Just see, this is the outer side of this farm body. Now check all faces are selected or not. Just now see all faces are selected in the outer side. Sorry, it is miss this face and yeah, this face, and again this face already selected. Now see, yeah, this face or this face selected. All the faces, outer side of the all faces are selected. Just check it properly. Now see, yeah, now check. Okay, all sides are selected. Okay, now go to OK. Now go to main body and hide this body. Now see, this is the all body are selected. And now go to front plane and sketch, and go to center rectangle and sketch a center rectangle, and right click OK and go to a smart dimension and keep this dimension 500. Click enter and again keep this dimension 500. Click enter. Now select OK. Now move it and just go to picture, just go to surface and click extruded surface and select this reverse direction and keep this 120. Click enter. Now see, just click OK.